Well, this time of the year, a lot of folks are asking, is now a good time to think about selling your land? And to answer that question, we welcome in Jordan from Lashley Land and Recreational Brokers. So, Jordan, this time of the year, it's early February. What are folks asking questions about in terms of marketing their land? And answer that question. Is now a good time of year to be thinking about that?
Sure, absolutely. The springtime right before planting and the grazing season comes on board, it's time to, if you're going to sell it, to start thinking about it now. You get into those seasons and guys aren't interested in looking for ground, right now. So if you're thinking about it, definitely give us a call and we'll discuss that and see if we can help you out.
This time of year, I'm sure you're getting a lot of questions about leasing rates and so forth. Are you able to answer questions on that, Jordan?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now is another good time to talk about what you're going to, be paying on cash leases or what are you wanting to get for your grass rent and that kind of stuff. So anybody that has questions on that definitely needs to give us a call and we can help them try to decide what they should rent their place for or what they should be getting. So.
If people have questions, maybe they're thinking about marketing their land, Lashley Land and Recreational Brokers, you guys say you're the go-to people. Help us understand why that is in terms of how you're able to market their land.
Sure. We're going to be able to get these properties in front of as many people as possible in the shortest period of time. And, we get around 40,000 visitors per month to our website, which is pretty phenomenal, especially out here in central Nebraska where, we can really get their properties out there in front of people and make sure that the most people can see them.
In terms of trends you're seeing here in early 2019, are a lot of folks thinking about leasing land or selling land this time of year, or what are you seeing as you're out in those fields?
Yeah, we're starting to see some, we're seeing some opportunities where some people are selling some ground and doing some lease backs, and that's kind of been a big deal for some investors, showing them, that it's a good investment in land. We're seeing a good trend in land sales. It has softened from our peak a few years ago, but good high quality ground will still sell well, especially if it has good location.
And Jordan, if folks want to come out to the 2019 Buffalo Bill Farm and Ranch Expo, they can ask you these questions directly, but if they're not able to make it out to the show today, how can they get a hold of you and your team?
Yeah, so the best thing to do is check out our website at lashleyland.com or give any one of us a call, and all of our numbers and names are on there, and we could be more than happy to help them.
Very good. Appreciate your time this morning here at the 2019 Buffalo Bill Farm and Ranch Expo. I'm Bryce Tuskett on the Rural Radio Network.